is Unit 3. Background levels are stable at 0.05.
Copy that, Unit 3. Continue monitoring the bench. From the precipitation vessels, the bright yellow-orange uranium oxide moves to the filtration station, where the filter...
The XRF analysis confirms the uranium concentration meets international compliance standards, allowing us to proceed with packaging. Thickness reading is 5.2 millimeters.
Noted.
Proceeding to the next weld point.
The enrichment level matches the declaration.
Confirmed. The seal integrity is also intact.
Monitors are reading stable.
Clamp is secure. Leak contained.
Roger that. Moving to the next phase.
Deep within the archives lies the cascade design, a stark reminder of the wartime push for nuclear enrichment.
From individual components to the final assembly, every step requires meticulous attention. This precision ensures optimal performance. The electron beam evaporation system focuses intense energy on the uranium, creating a brilliant white hot impact zone as the metal vaporizes.
Look at the telemetry data from Sector 4. The P2 cascade is showing unstable vibrations.
That doesn't match the enrichment levels that...
Moving through the facility, we see the stabilization operation. Uranium oxide powder emerges from the kiln, a stable form ready for the packaging system.
Utilizing robust natural convection cooling, these dry storage casks represent the forefront of secure,
This demonstration illustrates the commercial uranium enrichment process, showcasing the advanced centrifuge technology developed here at Urenco.
Thermal anomaly detected. Sector 4 perimeter.
Roger. Zooming in the camera now. Dispatching security element.
The ALARA optimization strategy is proving effective. Individual dose tracking confirms we are maintaining exposure levels well below the threshold.
Team A, move to the isolation valves on tank 3. Secure the area immediately.
The blue line indicates we've maximized the separative work output for this cascade configuration.
And the red line confirms.
The life cycle data confirms our projections for the carbon footprint. This environmental performance data is critical for the policy brief.
geopolitical instability is impacting the enrichment capacity in Q4.
Russia's leverage on the Europe corridor is increasing. From fabrication to final inspection, our scientists are developing the advanced fuel forms critical for future reactor designs. Reactor coolant level stabilizing at 20 feet.
Acknowledged. Initiating procedure A14, step 3.
Verify steam dump actuation.
The greatest risk to our nuclear security culture remains the insider threat. Recognizing the signs is everyone's responsibility.
Senior Casper operator for the nth decennium cascade centrifuge to Hall, young technilijan, nieuwe technica.
Struden en tafe matrix tujik sar kaiden surstillation.
Efficiency remains at 99%. All systems green.
Confirmed on the east sensors.
West side looks good. Very well. Handover complete.
Safety performance is up 15%.
What about the incidence and cascade efficiency?
We are addressing those now.
As you can see from the data on the screen, the optimized cascade design significantly improves the separation factor and overall efficiency. This model demonstrates the full process of the cascade. We believe in total transparency, which is why we show how the centrifuges are linked.
Enrichment confirmed at 4.95521%.
The assay certificate is accurate. Approved for quality release.